The country was sent into euphoria on Wednesday as the Reggae Girls created history, becoming the first English-speaking Caribbean country to qualify for a FIFA Women's World Cup. The qualification comes 8 years after Sidela Mali led a rescue effort after the senior women's program was abandoned by the JFF in 2010. It was a long journey in which they stared elimination in the face in the first round of Caribbean qualifiers, where with 20 minutes left on the clock, the Reggae Girls had to come from behind to pull off a 2-all draw with Haiti. They finished on the same number of points as Haiti, but a superior goal difference saw the Jamaicans heading into the second round of Caribbean qualifiers. Fate would again show its hand, where Jamaica was a late host for the second round, ensuring that Jamaicans at home would see the Reggae Girls run roughshod over Antigua and Barbuda, Bermuda and Cuba inside the National Stadium. The CONCACAF round in the United States would see the Reggae Girls in Group B alongside Canada, Costa Rica and Cuba. The Jamaicans put in a good performance and only went down to a 2-0 defeat to Canada before shocking Costa Rica 1-0 and then mauling Cuba 8-0 to march into the semi-final round. After being dismissed 6-0 by the United States, the Jamaicans had the Panamanians to conquer, the team responsible for sending home the highly fancied Mexico. Panama went toe-to-toe with the Reggae Girls on Wednesday, eclipsing Khadija Bunnyshaw's 14th minute header through Natalia Mills in minute 74 to send the game into extra time. Young player of the tournament, 16-year-old Jody Brown, put Jamaica ahead in first half extra time, but Lynette Cadena netted in the 115th minute to level proceedings for Panama yet again. By then, head coach Hugh Menzies had called upon the more experienced shot stopper Nicole McClure to stand between the sticks. Both teams scored their first 3 kicks before McClure made back-to-back saves to switch the pendulum towards Jamaica. And when Dominique Bonflaza converted the final kick, pandemonium broke out as the Reggae Girls celebrated.
They celebrate in the corner. They make all 4 penalties.
McClure told TVJ Sports it was a moment she had dreamed of.
I've been preparing for this my entire life, basically. So I was just, very excited. I was nervous, but I was to seize the moment. I tend to, react to the shot, but for the first 2, I decided to guess. That's why I went the wrong way. I kind of knew she was going to go that way because just based on her body language, I kind of figured out she was going to my left again. And the same with the 4th one as well.
The 28-year-old, who plies her trade in Sweden, hopes this historic qualification will ensure that the women's program in Jamaica receives more support.
I would love to see more focus on women's football in Jamaica, in the grassroots in particular. And I would like to see the development grow. I want the powers that be to truly care about this sport, and it's a beautiful game, and it shows that we care. I just want more support from the powers that be. I hope this will shed light on that.
The Reggae Girls will next be in action in Nottingham, England on October 28th in a charity game against the Nottingham Forest women in honor of the Windrush generation.